The two of you will sit in those chairs right there.
You'll see that there's some red arrows that are pointed to show you where to walk. At that point, we're filming.
Hello.
Oh my goodness.
I'm so pleased to meet you. Do you
Aren't
hug?
you beautiful?
I think we're doing pretty good together today.
I think so. I think we're going to be a good team. I had to have a lumpectomy and then chemotherapy and radiation. So as of now, 15 years later, I'm cancer-free. Give me one, girl.
Lord, there you go.
Okay.
Let me give you two.
That's both of us. Okay.
That's wonderful.
And so I've carried that gratitude,
Yes.
good word, with me when I've talked to other people. And actually, when they talk to me, because even though you're out of treatment, life is different. Now that that's over, what am I supposed to do?
That is more than amazing.
Yeah.
And so much of what we need in our communities,
Yes.
awareness and support. In losing my mother, I think I learned that life is short.
Yes, it is.
And we as a family, we have a business. We've had some degree of success.
Yes, you
God
have.
has blessed us for many, many years and continues to do so. It's nothing if we just are on the take end. I talked to my representative at the clinic about which organizations we want to support, and we do put real thought into that. So this is quite a treat for me to be able to meet you and to hear more about the SKIP program and what it's doing.
And I'm just extremely grateful to know that you are as passionate about your giving as you are, because you touch many people in ways that maybe I can't. I give on a much smaller level. I give of myself.
There is no small giving, ma'am.
Thank you. It's just good to know how generous you are. You know, your big heart. When I see you, that's all I can think about, is how much you've done through your...
I tell you, very kind, and I appreciate that. We're blessed.
Okay.